How to get portrait mode in iPhone 7. Even though it's not a feature included in this device, this method will allow you to take stunning portrait photos on your iPhone 7. So let's get started. To get portrait mode on your iPhone 7, you'll need to download a third-party app called Focus. It's available for free on the App Store. Once you have downloaded and installed the Focus app, open it on your iPhone 7. Then select your desired photo. Let the magic happen. Done. Now you can adjust the depth effect to make the background blurry and the subject stand out. You can do this by selecting the aperture option at the bottom of the screen and adjusting the slider to your desired level of blur. Once you're happy with your portrait photo, save it to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.